dog egg hunt. It's $7 per dog.
Oh man.
Here. No. They're having a dog Easter egg hunt tomorrow. I would like to take her, but it's $7 and it's
Pancakes.
I haven't had any allergy pills and I've been working on garden every day. So I think I'm just allergic to weird things that most people aren't.
You like it, Pay? What about you, Audrey? You like it?
Yeah, but I'm allowed to.
Danielle.
This is how my friend's cousin plays.
Can you wait your turn next time, kid?
Kick it!
There's somebody in front of you. You have to wait. Ian, take a couple of shots, buddy.
Good job, Ian.
Kick it, Pay! Woo!
Let him do it. Got one right there, buddy. Okay, wait your turn.
Oh!
Good job, Paul.
You're good.
I'm gonna make a butterfly.
You're gonna make a what?
Butterfly. I don't know.
All right.
That really is so snappy.
Alright, here we are with the, oh, you made the painting? Oh, your painting looks very nice. Alright, you gonna get those eggs out there?
Everybody up there is 3 and 4.
You see them all?
The older.
The golden eggs? I see lots of eggs out there. There's a pink one and a blue one. There's another pink one and a yellow one. There's lots of daisies out there too. They look like eggs. You ready?
You can see them.
Get all those eggs.
Mow the grass this week.
See the Easter egg helpers out there throwing them around? Are you ready to get some eggs? You see them out there? How many you gonna get? How many you gonna get, Audrey? 5 eggs? You're guaranteeing 5 eggs this year. In your pink and green and yellow Ultimate Warrior basket. You ready? You ready, Audrey?
Don't push. Oh, fine. We have friends there. It's how much time?
You ready, Audrey? Yeah.
I'm ready.
That buzzer's gonna go off and we're gonna start picking up eggs.
Any minute now.
Ready? 10:01.
Go, Audrey. Audrey, this way. Go way out there. There's lots of them over here. Pick them up. You're running past them. There you go. There's 2 right behind you. Pick them up. Pick them up. Pick all of them up. I don't know. I don't know. Over here. Over here. Audrey, come this way. Audrey. Audrey. Grab that one. This one? This way, Audrey, this way. Audrey, over here. Oh, you did awesome, Audrey. Show me all those eggs.
Let's see what you got.
Hey, Peyton, tell me about your Easter egg hunt. How was your Easter egg hunt? How many eggs did you get? How many?
4.
It was a tough year. Lots of kids out there.
There was tons, and they were vicious.
They were vicious?
They were vicious.
Was it 5-year-olds and 6-year-olds, or what was it?
5 and 6.
Oh man, tough one. Tough one. Call the cops. Pay, turn around.
We don't want to picture the back again.
All good. Say bye-bye.
Thank you.